Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Children, today I will teach you subtraction of 3-digit numbers. But before that, the answer to the riddle I asked you in the last tutorial. The answer is a bank. Children, a bank has many branches but no leaves, no fruits and no trunk. Now, coming back to subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Now children, I will teach you subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Let's start with the first question. 420 minus 210. Now, what will be the first step? The first step will be to show these numbers or to place these numbers in the respective columns according to their place value. So, writing the columns: 100, tens, ones. In the first number, how many hundreds? 4 hundreds, 2 tens and 0 ones. In the second number, 2 hundreds, 1 ten and 0 ones. We will put the minus sign and we have to find the difference. So children, now build up the number here. This is 100. So how many hundreds in the first number? 400. So I will put 4 hundreds. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many tens? There are 2 tens. So this is 110. I will put 2 tens. 1 and 2. How many ones I have? I have no ones. So I will not put any ones here. Now, when we have to subtract, children, to subtract means to take away. So, how many I have to take away from the ones column? I have to take away 0. I have 0 and I have to take away 0. Children, 0 minus 0 is 0. When the numbers are same, 0 is the game. When the number itself is subtracted, the result is 0. Now, moving on to the tens column. In the tens column, I have 2 tens and I have to subtract 1 ten. So, I will remove 1 ten. After removing 1 ten, what is left? 1 ten is left. So, I will write 1. Now, moving on to the hundreds column. How many hundreds I have? I have 4 hundreds. Now, how many I have to remove? I have to remove 2 hundreds. So, taking away 1 and 2, I am removing 2 hundreds. So, now how many hundreds are left? 1 and 2. So, I will write 2 here. Now, on subtracting 210 from 420, the answer is 210. So, 210 is the difference between 420 and 210. Then, moving on to the next question. Let me subtract 215 from 657. Now, what is the first step? The first step is to arrange the numbers in columns. So, 100, tens and ones. In the first number, how many ones are there? 7 ones. So, I will write down 7. How many tens? 5 tens. How many hundreds? 6 hundreds. In the second number, how many ones? 5 ones. How many tens? 1 ten. And how many hundreds? 2 hundreds. So, I will subtract show the numbers in the columns here. So, how many ones do I have? I have 7 ones. So, I will put 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, I have 7 ones. In the tens column, how many tens? 5 tens. So, I will put 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, here I have 5 tens. In the hundreds column, how many hundreds? There are 6 hundreds. So, I will put 6 hundreds. Each block is 100. 2, 3, 4 hundreds, 5 hundreds and 6 hundreds. So, here I have 6 hundreds. Now, what we have to take away or what we have to subtract? From the ones column, I have to subtract 5. So, I will take away 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking away 5 ones, children, what is left? I am left with 2 ones. So, I will write 2. Tens column, I have to subtract 1. So, I will take away 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am left with 4 tens. From the hundreds column, I have to remove 2 hundreds. I have to subtract 2 hundreds. So, I will take away 2 hundreds. Now, I am left with 1, 2, 3 and 4. I am left with 4 hundreds. So, I will write 4 here. When I subtracted 215 from 657, I got 442. 4 hundreds, 4 tens, 2 ones. So 442 is the difference between 657 and 215. Now children, moving on to the next sum. 876 minus 325. Now, we will arrange them in columns. So, H, T and O. How many ones in the first number? 6 ones. How many tens? 7 tens. How many hundreds? 800. How many tens in the next number? 5. How many tens? 2 tens. How many hundreds? 3 hundreds. Put the subtraction sign. Now let's subtract them. How many ones? 6 ones. So I will keep 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here I have 6 ones. In the tens column, I have 7 tens. So I will keep 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here I have 7 tens. In the hundreds column, I have 8 hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now children, here I have 8 hundreds. So what is the number shown?
How many hundreds? 8 hundreds. How many tens? 7 tens. How many ones? 6 ones. So 876. Now I have to subtract 325. From the ones column, I have to subtract 5. So I will take away 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I will remove 5 ones. After removing 5 ones, what is left? 1 is left. So I will write 1. From the tens column, I have to remove 2 tens. So I will remove 2 tens. When I remove 2 tens, how many tens are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 tens are left here. Now from the hundreds column, I have to remove 3 hundreds. So 1, 2 and 3. I removed 3 hundreds. So now how many hundreds are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I am left with 5 hundreds. So 551 is the difference between 876 and 325. When I subtracted 325 from 876, I got 551. Now children, there are a few sums for your practice work. Number 1, 230 minus 130. Number 2, 543 minus 212. Number 3, 879 minus